confusion about Turkish Airlines. They are changing the name to Türk Hava Yollari nationally, internationally. Let us see what Recep Tayyip Erdogan wants the airline to do. Next topic is that the FAA and the EASA are meeting with the regulators, and Boeing in that case as their regulators, in regards of the 777X. They are just deciding what they are doing with the certification. Boeing wants them to certificate, difficult word for a German to say certificate, to 2024, but Timothy Clark said already 2025, so let's see what happens there. And an important topic as well, if you are collecting miles with KrisFlyer, they have a promotion, again, spontaneous escape from July 1st to 31st. You have to book by June 30th. My name is Lars and I'm here to bring you more miles, more points and more status and of course aviation news. So do not forget to subscribe, to support the channel, hit the bell that you get notifications, comment and leave us a like. Thank you for doing so. Today's first topic is coming from the lounge in Riga. It's the, I have to read it from the wall, Prime Class lounge. Very lovely. They had a Coke in a stylish glass. You see it as a sharpening? No, it's getting, I don't know, I didn't get it sharp, but it's nice. Can recommend it with Air Baltic, but my flight is delayed, so I have time to record it for you now here. Turkish Airlines is getting confused with the names right now. My mother knew the name already, Türk Hava Yollari. I don't know, somehow she always called it like that. But now the Turkish government in the form of Recep Tayyip Erdogan said, we don't want to be called Turkey anymore. I mean, who wants to be called like a bird? That I can understand, so that you have to say in the United Nations Turkey, Türkiye, without the Turkey part. So that is what they do, and they want to change the name of Turkish Airlines to this Türk Hava Yollari just to get the nationalists on their side. I don't know if then Turkey is some elections. No, I said Turkey again. I said should say Turkey. Huh? It's forbidden. But anyways, you know what I mean, and in my opinion, it's kind of a fun thing. We will see if the pictures which are already circulating in the internet where you have changed the name from Turkish Airlines to Türk Hava Yollari is a big change, but for me it's just a name change. I mean, it's not important, but we will see what happens. A more important topic is the 777X. The 777X is an aircraft that we are really waiting for. As Lufthansa fans, we wait for it. We were supposed to get it last year already, but Boeing had to tell us, hey, the regulators, FAA and EASA, are not happy with the aircraft. So the regulators are meeting with Boeing and talking about all the topics they have to figure out until they get into service. And Timothy Clark from Emirates Airlines said already, I expect it not end of 2025. And he made very sure that the aircraft has to perform as Boeing promised. If not, they will cancel the order. And according to Reuters, Patrick Kay, Executive Director of the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, said we just need to agree on common principles of how to achieve the safety targets that we have. We need to understand each other. That's where we are. We need to agree on planning and who does what. Basically, they want to coordinate what the FAA's responsibility is from the American side, what the EASA's responsibility is from the European side, and the 300 orders which are in the books already for the aircraft, the people have to be patient to get the aircraft. 3 of these are already produced. One is the demonstrator I saw personally in Dubai last year on the Dubai Air Show. Impressive when it just did the half roll. It was really amazing. I hope that we get the certification, and when it's entering the service, the AIS entering into service, ICE, that should be a cool thing. And as the 777 is a aircraft which is well known for its qualities since years, in the 200 version 300 ER, I'm looking forward to it. Another customer who's having 777Xs on order, that is Singapore Airlines. They have 777s already in the fleet, and they have the so-called spontaneous escapes. The Lufthansa would call it mileage bargains. Unfortunately, Singapore Airlines had the award devaluation, 10% or more, depending what destinations you are looking for. But the escapes, the spontaneous ones, which you have to book by June 30th for the period of July 1st to 31st, 2022. There you can save a lot of points. Here, for example, when you book a flight from Singapore to New York, it's 51,100 in premium economy. If you take the return flight, the same amount. So the flights are really saving you money. Unfortunately, you have to be based in Singapore. You have to fly to Singapore to get the advantage of those. But depending on your account, that is a great experience you have in economy or in premium economy class with those. Alaska Airlines, which gave us last year a very nice surprise when they changed from One World to One World. They are selling like always miles. You remember that you could use them for Emirates Airlines. Now there are other airline options as well. But first, when you buy the miles, you can buy 3,000 to 14,000. You get 30% bonus. 15,000 to 29,000 gives you a 40% bonus. Or if you want the maximum, which is 50,000, a 50% bonus, it would be 30,000 to 100,000. So it would be 50,000 the bonus. With a maximum of 150,000 points, you could buy for $2,750 US dollars. But keep in mind taxes depending on your location. $206, I think, for California. $2,960 approximately you have to pay for those. Destinations I would recommend with it would be with Japan Airlines, with Cathay Pacific, or even to Singapore Airlines. You can move them for flights. So it's a very good opportunity to get value for money. That was a short version today from Riga. As I told that I got stranded here for another 2 hours. 2 hours was planned. Now it's 4 hours. We have to stay here or a little bit more. I'm thinking about the 250 euros I'm getting as a compensation for that. That is what's keeping me alive. I will enjoy my Coke. Thank you for watching Frequent Traveler TV. Takeoff episode today was number 17. You will see it in the headline. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and comment. Thank you. Bye.